at the Grenada Ornamental Nursery, and I mean, I didn't even know this place existed, and it's amazing. We're going to take a look around. Lots of beautiful plants to see. I'm sure we can get something for the garden home. Let's take a look. I have these in the ground. These are the ground orchids.
I want to get that.
I'm making a patch of these right as you come down the hill. If you're walking,
They can take sun clearly because they're outside.
They like semi-shade. Oh, when you come out, show you what I'm doing with this.
These are flag butterflies.
Lantanas, you call them. Afternoon. Look, the starburst.
Oh my god! Wow.
You see what I tell you?
And
What is this?
jasmine.
Oh,
Man, this place is big. I want one of these. I think this is a small one I can afford. Like a tiny one.
yes. No, the thing about it, it only flowers once a year, and that is the only thing about it.
It's boring.
But when it, yes, like this is what it looks like dormant. But when it flowers is when you really could appreciate it. And this is good for a head, as you were pointing out. These give me beach vibes.
True.
I can see them doing well next to the beach.
She big though. She thick.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. I didn't know this place was so big, innit? Just tucked away in the back of Granborough, like.
Pineapple. This looks like a flowering vine.
The jasmine.
What are these?
Jasmine. Mine look like that. Yeah, I have that one. So we have jasmines. This make nice hedges too. That's the jasmine I have. It smells so good, Clifton. Like, oh my god.